I'm just going to make it like nice and simple. When you go to the grocery store, what are 5 things that you would get for a ketogenic diet?
5 things I would get at the ketogenic diet.
Important.
Boom. Okay, stay on the outskirts. You're going to get your favorite non-high glycemic vegetables, i.e. your spinach and Brussels sprouts. 2, you're going to get your oils, nut butters, and your salad dressings and things like that to go ahead and complement that. 3, you're going to get your nuts and seeds, which actually will last quite a while, so that's not something you do often. 4 would be your coconut cream that you're going to make tons of puddings, yogurt, snacks, things you're going to have every morning with coffee or not coffee, well, if you're coffeeaholic. And then 5, you're going to get your meats and your eggs. So that means like your base stuff, your eggs, meat, fish. And if you have those 5 things that we just talked about every time you go shopping, you're just going to interchange those and find different ways to dress them up and season them every day of your life.
Okay. 4 ingredients that you would look onto a package to know that they're not ketogenic. Number 1, I know he would say sugar.
Yeah. Look for things that are like, if you go onto a package of almonds, or you look at some meat or some kind of packaged, not fresh food, whatever it might be, and it says multidextrin, which will certainly say on almost all bacon and all ham and all sausage. If you see dextrose, if you see any kind of sucralose, anything that looks like, if you look up all the different derivatives of sugar, stay away from them. They are bad food for you. These have been prepared in a way that will alter your gut bacteria, mess with your blood sugar, lead to cardiovascular disease. It will be bad. This is where a lot of those plant-based guys give the keto guys really bad rep and make us feel like we're giving bad advice, because people just feel, and this is actually said, I have to do it, I have to go off track. So many doctors that say this is why keto is not not sustainable long-term. The reason that they say, watch out for doing the ketogenic diet and it leads down the line to cardiovascular disease, or there's no long-term studies that have been performed, is because everybody makes this assumption that everyone out there doing keto is packing in ribeyes and bacon every single day. So we need to dispel that myth. Everybody knows if we stay away from just the processed garbage and the hamburger buns and the fries and the trans fats and all this junk, and if we could just eat the most organic, whole food, plant-based, or good, well-fed, animal-based kind of diet and pick the one that's the best for us, and watch our portions and get a little bit of exercise, guys. You don't need a lot. Truly, 10 minutes a day of some moderate intensity, 20 minutes of some low intensity. Your body, it's really incredible the changes that will happen and how you'll feel. Forget